This month, Life Insurance Strategies Group is in Guadalajara. Now, if you'll remember, a year ago when we were in Oaxaca, we talked here about how foreign nationals are increasingly wanting to buy U.S. life insurance products. And there's reasons for that. Obviously, the U.S. has a stable currency, it has a strong regulatory environment, and the companies are highly rated that issue the products. You can also buy large face amounts that they cannot get from their local insurance companies. Well, fast forward a year, and the life insurance companies in the United States have been listening. So now, back around COVID, life insurance companies in the U.S., many of them had foreign national programs, but they didn't have face amounts that could go above maybe $5 million, $10 million at most for foreign national clients. Plus, you had to have all sorts of ties to the U.S., bank accounts, a home here, perhaps family here, many more ties. And then what you saw was the need to do medical exams in the United States. Well, fast forward to today, and we're seeing many major U.S. life insurance companies being able to offer up to $65 million of death benefit under their own pen. So that's the amount they can offer without having to go out to reinsurance companies. Now, if they do have to go out to reinsurance companies, we're looking at being able to get amounts of coverage in excess of $100 million of death benefit for some foreign national clients. Now, these are usually clients for what they call A-rated countries. And then if there's B-rated countries, C-rated countries, those residents can get slightly lower amounts of death benefit. Now, a couple other big advances that have happened in the past year is that medical exams. So some of these major carriers in the U.S. are now saying, hey, you don't have to come to the U.S. for a medical exam for our products. You can have a medical exam in a place like Hong Kong or in London, as long as the medical facilities and or the medical practitioner meets our requirements. I mean, that's fantastic. And then next, we talk about ties to the U.S. So some of these carriers are saying, look, as long as the transaction can be domiciled in the U.S. with a U.S. owner, so a trust or an LLC, we won't have many other requirements. Now, that's not necessarily true across the board, but it's a growing trait in many of these life insurance companies as a requirement. So we're seeing a lot of progress for foreign nationals seeking U.S. life insurance. Remember, at Life Insurance Strategies Group, we don't sell products. We help our affluent individual and institutional clients make decisions involving complex life insurance transactions.